Parker, he's dying to announce the bikes.
Can't see motorcycles.
All right, race fans, so here you go. Birdman Production presents the BMFers here tonight. This is $7,000 up for grabs. The winner take all, this field of 32. So any type of exotic fuel is legal here in the bike class. You gotta have a straight tire and you can't have a wheelie bar. Your next pair, Brandon Teasley in the left lane. It's Furball out of O'Fallon, Illinois. Right lane, it's gonna be Smooth. Ridden by Smooth out of Kokomo, Indiana. Low and slow on the right-hand side. It's Josh Ross. He used to drive Nicki Minaj out of Gary, Indiana. This is a Jet 1 Suzuki Impulse on the right-hand side. From Portec Engines and Shelton on top of Zilla 2.0. Bike owner Major Shelton out of Greenville, Tennessee. This is an 07 Suzuki GSXR. Out of Ellenwood, Kansas. They are bad and different. Now number 2, the Crazy Canadian. So again, any type of exotic fuel is legal. Alcohol, nitromethane, and of course nitrous injection.
That's funny, kid.
And just to let you know, down there at Limpy, we are going to draw small tire after the bikes.